an additional variant of the Sports Activity Vehicle (SAV), developed and produced exclusively for the Chinese market, will soon be rolling off the production line of the BMW Brilliant Automotive Limited Dadong plant in Shenyang following a major expansion of the joint venture's facility. This will mark the first time that executive segment BMW X models have been manufactured in China. Set to be available in China from April 2022, the BMW X5 xDrive30Li and BMW X5 xDrive40Li boast an exceptionally spacious rear passenger compartment and exclusive equipment features.